Welcome back to English Learning. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get all the latest updates. In this video, I will explain the remaining rules of subject-verb agreement. If you have not seen my previous video of the first 4 rules of subject-verb agreement, then check it out, link is in the description box. This rule says that when two or more singular nouns or pronouns are connected by or nor, use a singular verb. इसका मतलब ये है कि जब दो या दो से ज़्यादा सिंगुलर नाउन्स या प्रोनाउंस कनेक्ट होते हैं और या नॉर से तब सिंगुलर वर्ब यूज़ करना. फॉर एग्जांपल, द चेयरपर्सन और द सीईओ approves the proposal before proceeding. In this sentence, the chairperson or the CEO is the subject and approves is the verb. So it must be clear that इसमें दो singular nouns connect हुए हैं और से and also singular verb का use हुआ है. So this is the fifth rule. Next rule is when a compound subject contains both a singular and plural noun or probably joined by or nor, the verb should agree with the part of the subject that is closest to the verb. This is called the rule of proximity. इसका मतलब ये है कि जब कंपाउंड सब्जेक्ट में सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल नाउन या प्रोनाउन जॉइन होते हैं और या नॉर से, तब वर्ब को अग्री करना चाहिए सब्जेक्ट से जो वर्ब से क्लोजेस्ट होता है. इसको रूल ऑफ प्रॉक्सिमिटी बोलते हैं. लुक एट द एग्जांपल्स. द स्टूडेंट और द कमिटी मेंबर्स राइट एवरी डे. In this sentence, the student or the committee members is the subject and write is the verb. So it must be clear that compound subject में singular and plural nouns use हुए हैं और ये और से connect हुए हैं and also verb भी agree कर रहा है subject से. Next example is the committee members or the student writes every day. In this sentence, the committee members or the student is the subject and writes is the verb. So it must be clear that compound subject में singular and plural nouns use हुए हैं और ये और से connect हुए हैं and also verb भी agree कर रहा है subject से. So this is the sixth rule of subject verb agreement. Next rule is the words and phrases each one, either, neither, everyone, everybody, nobody, somebody, someone and no one are singular and require singular verb. इसका मतलब ये है कि words and phrases जैसे each one, either, neither, everyone, everybody, nobody, somebody, someone and no one singular हैं और singular verb ही use होगा. For example, each of the participants was willing to be recorded. Singular word is each and was is the verb. सो इसमें सिंगुलर वर्ड के साथ सिंगुलर वर्ब यूज हुआ है. नेक्स्ट इज नाइदर ऑल्टरनेटिव हाइपोथेसिस वॉज एक्सेप्टेड. सिंगुलर वर्ड इज नाइदर एंड वॉज इज द वर्ब. Next is I will offer $5 gift card to everybody who participates in the study. Singular word is everybody and participates is the verb. Next, no one was available to meet with me at the preferred times. Singular word is no one and was is the verb. So from these examples, it must be clear that words and phrases singular हैं तो singular verb ही use करना है. So the next rule is non-count nouns take a singular verb. Non-count nouns मतलब अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स जो काउंट नहीं कर सकते उसमें सिंगुलर वर्ब यूज़ होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एजुकेशन इज़ द की टू सक्सेस. एजुकेशन इज़ द नॉन काउंट नाउन and is the singular verb. Next is diabetes affects many people around the world. Diabetes is a non-count noun and affects is a singular verb. Next, the research I found on the topic was limited. The research is the non-count noun and was is a verb. Next rule is some countable nouns in English such as earnings, goods, odds, surroundings, proceeds, contents and valuables only have a plural form and take a plural verb. इसका मतलब ये है कि कुछ काउंटेबल नाउन्स जैसे कि अर्निंग्स, गुड्स, ऑड्स, सराउंडिंग्स, प्रोसीड्स, कंटेंट्स एंड वैल्यूएबल्स इन सब की प्लूरल फॉर्म्स होती है तो वर्ब भी प्लूरल फॉर्म होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द अर्निंग्स फॉर दिस quarter exceed expectations. In this sentence, the earnings is the plural countable noun and exceed is a plural verb. Next example is the proceeds from the sale go to support the homeless population in the city. In this sentence, the proceeds is the countable noun and go is the verb. Next rule is in sentences beginning with there is or there are, the subject follows the verb. Since the word there is not the subject, the verb agrees with what follows the verb. इसका मतलब ये है कि जो सेंटेंसेस देयर इज़ या देयर आर से स्टार्ट होते हैं उसमें सब्जेक्ट फॉलो करता है वर्ब को. क्योंकि देयर सब्जेक्ट नहीं है तो वर्ब को अग्री करना चाहिए जो भी उसको फॉलो करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर इज़ लिटिल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सपोर्ट. इन दिस सेंटेंस इज़ वर्ब है एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सपोर्ट सब्जेक्ट है. Next, there are many factors affecting teacher retention. In this sentence, are is a verb and factors is the subject. Next rule is collective nouns are words that imply more than one person but are considered singular and take a singular verb. Some examples are group, टीम, कमेटी, फैमिली एंड क्लास. इसका मतलब ये है कि कलेक्टिव नाउन्स ऐसे वर्ड्स जो एक से ज़्यादा पर्सन पे इम्प्लाई करे और उनको सिंगुलर कंसिडर किए जाते हैं एंड ऑल्सो दे टेक अ सिंगुलर वर्ब. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ग्रुप, टीम, कमेटी, फैमिली, क्लास. Look at the examples. The group meets every week. In this sentence, the group is the collective noun and meets is a singular verb. Next, the committee agrees on the quality of the writing. In this sentence, the committee is a collective noun and agrees is a singular verb. However, the plural verb is used if the focus is on the individuals in the group. This is much less common. इसका मतलब ये है कि प्लूरल वर्ब तब यूज़ होता है जब फोकस इंडिविजुअल ग्रुप्स पे हो, ऑल्दो ये ज़्यादा कॉमन नहीं है. लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल. The committee participate in various volunteer activities in their private lives. The committee is the collective noun and participate is a verb. So this was all about the rules of subject verb agreement. I hope आपको समझ आ गया होगा. I will discuss some other topic in my next video. So till then stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel and also add me on Instagram. My Insta ID is English Learning 1205. If you want to suggest some topics then you can email me or you can DM me on Instagram. Every detail is given in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.